We're delighted by our most recent 5-star review from one of our valued customers. Our team works hard to go the extra mile, so this type of review is very rewarding. So it should come as no surprise that we love hearing from happy and satisfied customers, and this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior customer service. This is one of our favorite reviews as well. Very inspiring. So if you want to work with somebody who will focus on you and listen to your needs, let our first-rate, top-notch service do the job right for you. So thank you for visiting us today. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Call us today and let us give you the same amazing customer service.